Bodow, we don't know we outside reviving again. Foodie Nation, my Bodow. So you know what we're going to do. Today we're going to do all the bacon fish today. We're going to start from the prepping, starting to finish. Yeah, morning. Welcome to Trinidad. Trinidad, big welcome. Morning, Bodow. Here we go in with the hung. Scale. Redfish head, I need to scrape that redfish head properly. Right? You'll be eating scale when you're eating. In the water. You make sure I got all your little fine scales in it. Make sure you have no scale nowhere in them. I want to fresh up my camera guy as I go in along. You like the redfish bone, I have to lose less pong than I use for the barracuda. Because the redfish bone is not that hard. He also like a barracuda. One center bone. Nice slices again. For your bacon fish. Yeah? I see the procedure here as I said. Fish clean, wash, season, and prep for the front. Bang bang. Check back in 2 minutes. So right now we don't have the dough done need out already here. Sandy here is going to start to roll out the dough. Alright, nice and lovely. Flour rest properly. So you're going to take your time and roll out this dough here for the bacon fish. We're going to do this bacon fish basically on the tower, like what we just do nearly all we food product. We try to do them on the tower. And as we say again, what you see on Foodie Nation is what you're coming to get when you come by Bodow. Customers will come and say, Bodow, this is what I see on Foodie Nation, how the box look the same way. So you try to do the same thing where you see is where you get. You're getting more, you're getting less. You're getting exactly what you see on Foodie Nation come by Bodow. Lovely. Alright, so make sure we oil the pan in a kind of way and oil bake the flour and go stick. And from here we take it and we carry it out to the grill on the outside. Here we go again. We was going to fry it, you know, but I realized when I started this morning I would just get like a bake, like a roast bake, a tower, bake style, country style. Yeah? So why is just taking the time and finish up here? We want to season the fish and start to fry the fish for the bake. And here I have my fish fry and fry for my bake. Shallot, onion, garlic. I just want all the 3 pieces of slice of back here right now in the basin. This is nice redfish. Put it into that bag with some dry flour. I'm gonna take my time and give it a little shake. So the bag looking, seasoned up, perfectly nice. I mash my garlic up, I take out the skin off the garlic. I'm gonna check my oil with my garlic. In other words, you go take a few minutes again to finish it up. But it's hot enough. If you're in the kitchen here right now, you smell of that garlic smell and the whole kitchen just flavor up right now. That's all garlic in the pot. If you realize the garlic done change in color here, you want the garlic get too brown, too black. So the garlic brown and nice, the whole oil right now is flavor up with this garlic. And you take your time here now and dust out your fish properly. Rest in here. Oh, if you don't dust it out properly, your oil is gonna get burned. Give that a little room. You're gonna put too much at one time. I find I flip it too fast, but I ain't nothing. I know what I'm doing. I'm just flipping it back quick. Just cook on this side and I will flip it back. Somebody flip the fish from me already. That's nice. You go low down your heat on it because you have too much heat, as I seen. You don't want the fish burn on the outside and raw in the inside. You have to make sure the fish cook properly too. So you drop the heat a little bit on your stove. While you're dropping the heat on your oil too, you're saving yourself from burning the oil. So you get to make our next fry as well. Yeah? Right. You give that a few minutes on one side. And making sure that the dough don't stick. See how it's moving? When you cook on one side a little bit, then we flip it back a little bit again. Give it a few minutes and Aha! Talk now, Bodow. We talking about nice roast bake. You see the nice color we talking about? You can't flip it too fast. You have to flip it in the correct timing. See the nice lovely color we get here already? As I say, make sure you don't stick it, that'll turn you handy. Now, this bake, what we're doing is not like like the roast fish. We can just come and say, hey, I want roast fish. Hey, you have to call to order to get the bacon fish and get your pizza and stuff. Because the amount of prepping we be doing, you just can't put down nothing and prep and put down, prep and put down. So we have to create in a kind of way that we have an order inside for this order for that. Yeah, we can put it down for you. Other than that, welcome to Bodow's. If this bake will go real nice with the bacon fish. Kareem! Yeah, you see that? You see that? Perfecto! Oh my lord. See the knife running through that bake. You hold it like this and share it inside. Proper. Right, and what we're doing now is the sauce, right? This is the finished process of the bacon fish here. So we get our roast, we get our fried fish, lettuce, pineapple, roast bake, and there you have it. A little bit of everything as we say again when you come country. You want to see no KFC, you want to see no chicken and fries. Bake, fish, country.